Hello.
Hi.
Oh, I'm fine. How are you? Good, good. I'm sorry again. Eric.
And Giancarlo.
And John.
Giancarlo.
Giancarlo.
Yes.
Okay, it's all okay. It's all warm. That's Eric and Giancarlo. Make yourselves at home.
Thank you.
Please don't sit on my bed, but you can sit anywhere else. This was this aircraft entered service when Neil Armstrong said,
"It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
That was 1969.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So that's when the plane was made.
Completed and then entered service. We were unwittingly clever. It wasn't a plan exactly. It was a little bit of a plan, but it was a subtlety which I was keen upon retaining, but it was not a focus point at all. I was desperately busy with all the logistics of the project. I didn't really want to become involved with the city until I had to. So I didn't reveal it to the city or any other agencies until finally it just was time to do that. And that was good because everything else was arranged and everything happened fast. And by the time the city and other authorities got over the, "You're doing what?" and then the next stage, which is, "Oh, that's pretty cool. That's actually, wow. By the time they got to the, "Well, wait, what about this and this and this?" By the time they got to that stage, the aircraft was here. Wow. So it was basically a done deal. It flew to Hillsborough Airport in one piece because it was flying, and then we towed it across Cornell Road the night it landed. That was Halloween night, and then started dismantling at the Hillsborough Fair Complex because the Port of Portland would not allow that kind of work on airport property. Cut the wings off, cut the tail off, and remove the radome, although that was non-destructive. It's kind of like the hood of a car. It just rotates up. You remove the hinges, and that only gave us another meter of length reduction, but it was a good meter. This bird was his last flight. He was in his box in the aft cargo compartment, and the Kennedy entourage, including Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis, was in the aircraft escorting his body back to Greece for burial. Wow. And she was sitting in one of these, maybe yours. That's the forward cargo door.
So that's where our luggage goes every time we get on a plane.
Well, it either goes in that one or the aft.
Or that one back.